Look at this crew, folks. My entourage. These beautiful ladies and beautiful babies. I'm one lucky dude. All right, let's load them up, everybody. Load them up. Load them up and we'll move them out. Fatima is rocking a brand new backpack from Fjallraven. Okay, is everybody ready? Here we go. He loves the dogs.
Okay, we go here first.
You look around, this is JW Apartments. So you got like a little kitchen area here. Rice cooker. Got a CR, and this is a 1-bedroom. And on the back, it's got a little sort of like patio area slash balcony. Right out here. There you go. All right, let's load them back up. Load them up. Beautiful Saturday afternoon here in Angeles City. It's just a hot one today. Ain't no lie. But you know what? Got a good cool breeze, and I'm just glad to be alive. I got 2 beautiful ladies, 2 beautiful babies on board. And folks, I just feel blessed. I just feel blessed, and I want to say thanks for watching my videos and listening to my voice. And thanks to y'all, the viewer, you allow me to live this lifestyle, and I'm certainly appreciative. Wow, got some beautiful ladies off to, well, they're everywhere. Everywhere I look, I see beautiful ladies. World famous Walker Street. Is he going down the middle? No, he cuts left. Sorry, folks, it was driver's choice. And y'all get to see the backside of Walker Street, but my man said he wasn't going down through the middle of it. A Ricky Racer. Wow, beautiful lady with the umbrella. What can I do? Traffic backed up here. Traffic on a Saturday. Bike to quit, but it doesn't even do. Beautiful view of Mount Riot. Now, folks, I'm shooting on a GoPro, so it's not going to do it any justice. That view is so beautiful. When it's a clear day like this, I mean, you can just see all the detail of the trees, the vegetation. It's just beautiful. Sitting over there, just, I guess the word I'd describe it is just ominous. You know, again, Angeles City is basically, you know, the meat on a volcano sandwich. You got Mount Riot there, then a Tubo in the other direction, and right in the middle here's Angeles City. Just trying to kick it to get this thing started. Oh, you got his running. On this here traffic circle. As usual, riding in the back, folks, like DJT. Traffic's got us sitting here gridlock. Think about the sunshine when you're riding in the back. If it's a hot day, once you stop, ain't no air conditioning, ain't no airflow. That leg down there, that leg right there getting a little warm.